Hello. Okay. Hi everyone. I'm back again. This time, same place at Casuarina Macpherson. Okay, so if you're here, free, available, nothing to do during lunchtime or after you have your lunch already, you're free. Join me. Come on, join me, and then we have a great time of chat with regards to what happened last week. Right, it's very exciting week, and things, quite a few things happened, and we had our National Day, National Day rally, okay, and we have quite a few activities that happen, right? So if you are available and free, come in and join me for a time of coffee, tea. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you something. Last week, right? Some of you asked me about how do I do online research. Okay, how do I do research to find out about your competitors, right? How do you, what's the process like, right? And how do you identify opportunities, pockets of opportunities that are available online, not online, okay, that are available, okay, in a market that you can make use of, okay, to beat your competitors, to win, to find exactly all the intelligence, okay, all the intelligence that you need, okay, to win in your particular industry or in your market, right? So if you're interested in this topic, okay, today this is what I'm going to share with you, okay, this is what I'm going to talk to you about, okay. So please help me share these videos or this live, okay, to whoever that you find that is you'll be interested in, who will be interested in this topic, all right. Okay, so I'll just do some preparation and we'll start discussing about this topic. All right. Okay, so if you have anybody that you think that it will benefit, okay, just type in the comments their name, okay, and the person will get notified and be able to join into this chat together. Okay, great. Okay, so if you're interested, okay, to know and find out how I usually do all the research, okay, which is very valuable, very important, okay, I will say that most of the entrepreneurs would not know what to do, okay, would not know and able to find out exactly what their customers are. And it's weird because you know why? There are many entrepreneurs out there, they do not actually do research before they start their business, okay, they do not actually do intelligence, okay, they don't know whether what they are selling is actually something that their prospect will want, right? And they actually build up the whole product and whole process or product, right? And straight away launch, right? And then of course in the end you'll find a failure. Okay, so this short sharing, okay, I'll just take 10-15 minutes, okay, to share with you, okay, very quickly, okay, how typically it's being done. And right now the good thing is it's not like previously where without the internet, okay, you have to hire consultants, right, to find out whether what you're trying to innovate, what you're trying to build up is something that is valuable to your prospect. Okay, but right now, okay, you can get all this information free of charge, okay, from the internet, just from the internet. Okay, so I've been sharing many times. The first thing that you need to find out, the first thing that you need to get, okay, is to identify your avatar, which means the person, the prospect, the customer, the client that you target, okay, whether it's a male, female, whether the age group, okay, between 20, whether it's a teenage or within, or whether it's children, parents, right, or adult, working adult, what is the demographic, okay, and where is it from Singapore, from Malaysia, from different locations, where exactly this person, your targeted market are. Okay, from that target market, think of, right, where they will go, okay, in a kind of maybe in a social media, in a Facebook group, right, in Twitter, or in YouTube, okay, or right now maybe even in Shopee, Lazada, or marketplaces, okay, where these people are. Go find out where they are. Okay, so for example, if you have identified that they are from a particular group or interest in Facebook, all right, look through all the comments. Okay, Facebook is just one of the platform. Okay, there are other platforms, for example, like Amazon, okay, which is a bookstore, all right. Okay, so Amazon, if you go to Amazon, you will be able to see all the number of reviews, right, and you'll be able to see titles, which are the titles that are more popular, right? Whether it's maybe in a, for example, in a business, okay, you'll find that in a business category, okay, most people will not be interested. Okay, I would say it's not as popular, okay, with regard for business category. Okay, whenever I go to a bookstore, in a physical bookstore, I find that most most readers, correct, they will go to a fictional section. Okay, fictional section. And if you go to the business section, you find that there are actually much lesser browsers. Okay, people who browse the books. Okay, and many of them are either at the art session or in the fiction, or maybe you can say that maybe in the fitness or nutrition section of the bookstore. Okay, so go to Amazon, find out, okay, in your industry, in your category, whether it's business, fitness, lifestyle, right, or hobbies or arts, culture, whatsoever. Okay, go to that area, okay, that your niche is, okay, in your industry, right. Find out, right, in Amazon. Okay, I'm talking about Amazon. Okay, the same thing applies for Facebook. All right, wherever your users are, go to that platform and read the reviews. All right, read the reviews. Okay, so for example, I'm talking about business. All right, I will go to business section. Okay, either on Amazon.com or Kinokuniya. In Singapore, we have Kinokuniya, or even in popular bookstore. Look at the reviews. Right, look at the reviews. Find out and read, right, those reviews. Okay, if you are selling a physical product, go to some sellers. Okay, whether it's in Shopee or Lazada or even Amazon or even eBay, right? Find out all these reviews, okay, good and bad. Okay, list them down into Excel. Okay, so that's how I do it. I list them down in Excel. Then after that, I will list down the top, okay, not the middle, but the top, okay, the top reviews, and the lower, those that give 1 or 2 stars reviews. For the top reviews, okay, list them down, all right. Or okay, actually you can also go to places like Reddit, places like Quora, find out their questions, and then list them down. Find out the top questions, the top reviews that the viewers will give, all right, the reviewers will give, and then the bottom, the worst reviews, list them down, all right. Then after that, find out the keywords. Okay, find out exactly why these users love this product. Okay, find out exactly why they buy from this this company. Find out what is their what they are looking at. You see, when these reviewers, okay, if you are willing to review, okay, it is typically a truthful review. All right, so you may say that, okay, the positive ones may be some reviews that, of course, the sellers get somebody to write it, okay, either in a paid form or maybe getting some of their friends, right, to write for them. Okay, but it is still important, okay, to find out what they are looking for. Okay, but the other one that's even more important, okay, is to find out the worst reviews, because you won't, I mean, the sellers, all right, or the merchants, the entrepreneurs will not be writing something that is bad for their business. Agree or not? Okay, so that is even more valuable. Look at the negative comments, look at the negative review, find out exactly what pains these users, what are these users looking for, all right, by the negative reviews. Really, I mean, go and grab up all these bad reviews. Okay, of course, again, I want to emphasize is these should be the reviews that are that are by the similar demographic, similar avatar that you are looking for. All right. I mean, of course, if these avatars, right, they are not there. If your targeted avatars are parents, for example, but the reviews are written by youths or teenagers, well, that won't work. Okay. So if your avatars are parents, look for this. What are these negative reviews? Okay, because you know why? These negative reviews are really those reviews that are truthful, out of the heart of your prospect, your potential customers, your clients. All right, and through those, you can list them down, and then apply it into your marketing campaign, into your marketing process, okay, or in your innovation of your product. All right, and when that happens, of course, other than these are external clients, new clients, okay, and what they're looking for. You can also go back to your existing clients to grab back the information, okay, and the data, okay, to find out exactly what they are looking at. Ask them, okay, who are you also buying? Okay, if they are already your customers, that will be the best. Okay, that's why one of the very important thing that we need to grab, okay, is to grab and get back your the traffic, okay, your own customers into your own database. Okay, I'm seeing so many businesses, even right now out there, alright, that didn't really make use of this. Okay, especially the ability or the opportunity, okay, I would say the opportunity to bring in and grab the prospect's email, name, and telephone number. Okay, and this is so important because it will form out your whole database, and you can really get a lot of intelligence out from there. So recently, okay, we have the budget, not budget, sorry, what we call national rally, alright, national rally by our Prime Minister, okay, Mr. Lee, okay. So he mentioned about this group, right, who the gig economy, who are the delivery drivers and all that, right? I was thinking, if the gig economy, alright, whoever, okay, if you're a driver, if you are listening to me, yeah, if you are a delivery, Grab deliverer or Foodpanda deliverer, right? And if you're able to think of some ways that every single one of them, okay, who you meet, every single one of them that you deliver to, able to grab some form of information by sticking a sticker onto the Foodpanda package. Okay, I'm just saying, I'm not sure whether it's allowed or not. Okay, but if you can able to find out some ways to grab their name, email, phone number, these three, okay, you are then able to sell anything, really anything. You are able to group this group, okay, as all the HDB dwellers, right? Those who stay in HDB, this is one of the demographics. Those who stay in private property, those who stay in landed property, and what these people will need. All right, or you can separate them into different categories. Like for example, those who always want to have delivery at night, those who always want to have delivery in the afternoon, those who always want to have delivery in the morning. Okay, then from there you will be able to think already. Okay, those who always want to have delivery in the morning, okay, what would they want? Are you able to value add? Okay, put on a sticker onto your delivery package every time you deliver, right? And for example, if they buy coffee, right, you can stick on something and then put in either your Facebook page or a website or something, okay, on that sticker, and let them know if you need further delivery, right? Maybe you want to have lunch, okay, because this person, okay, always order breakfast, all right, and now you stick on the sticker and say, don't worry about your lunch, I will deliver it for you. You see, then you have another delivery which is lunch, and that person will directly connect with you, right, for I don't know, lunch or something else. You see, so when you sell something, when you get in touch, all these are impact points. Once you get in touch with someone, grab that person information, right, and potentially remarket and sell to that person once again. Okay, so you see, I mean, through through this possible gig economy, right, there are also a lot of ways that you can earn extra income, right, or potentially become a huge business yourself. Alright. Okay, so you see, when you do proper research, okay, through online, okay, you will really be able to find out exactly what are the pain points. Then apply it onto the sticker that I mentioned it earlier. Okay. And then grab more users, grab more customers back. Okay. So I think that right now in our economy, especially online, there are simply so many opportunities out there. So many opportunities that many entrepreneurs do not see. Okay, so if you hear me through this video, this podcast, okay, that triggered some ideas that you might have. Okay, some ideas that you might have. Okay, let me know. Okay, key in the comments, right, so that every one of us, okay, who is here listening or engaged with this conversation will be able to learn together. Or if you have questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Alright, okay, so this is what I have for you today. I hope that you guys gain something, okay, that will help you towards your journey, okay, as an entrepreneur, or if you're in the gig economy, you can make use of this, okay, to help you move to the next stage and potentially become an entrepreneur as well. Alright, so the opportunity is huge. What you need to do is really to take action and move forward and move fast. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you again the next time. Bye bye.